The river water was very fast and cold, which I have to be careful. I have assembled and disassembled this kayak for over 10 times. In the beginning, it wasn't that easy, but there's a certain way of holding it and unfolding it, and will make the process much easier. I paid $17 for the seat at Temu, and my friend got the same seat at Amazon, and he paid $35. It's practically the same seat. Before the testing, I was concerned that there may be bending between the midsection of the kayak and the bow or stern. It turned out the design works well and is holding up. The kayak is very stable, but I didn't want to rock the kayak too much and fall into the water. The water is very cold. The kayak is short with a good rocker, and I can easily turn it. I can practically turn the kayak on a dime, which is very responsive, and I really enjoy pedaling it. The water was very fast, and I try to avoid the middle section of the river. In case I flip over, no one will be able to help me. As you can see, the current was pushing me to the side, but it was fun though. I really enjoy paddling this boat. At a low capacity of 140 pounds, both the bow and stern sticking out of the water quite a bit. The rocker is a little bit high. Now with my friend at 160 pounds, the boat sank a little bit more. I think the boat is ideally good for people weight about 180 to 190 pounds. In that case, both the bow and stern will be fully submerged. I will reduce the rocker at my next design update. I really like the profile of the bow and stern because it's more hydrodynamic, and I can only do it with a fused bow and stern design, and I illustrate what I mean here. I tried 2 different methods to fuse the bow, and this is my second prototype, and this particular method is easier and faster to implement. The melted plastic behaves like glue and will stick together, but you have to act fast. You can apply heat and shape it to the way you want it. This is my Gen 23 kayak, and the bow is folded together. I cannot really add extra crease here because it creates a very ugly openings when we're trying to close the bow. I will add a footrest for my next design update. With the river condition, I really cannot tell whether this kayak tracks better than my other design. I will have to test it another time. This design is very similar to the products in the market. The assembly and disassembly are pretty much the same. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes to assemble or disassemble this kayak. Because of the narrower width at 26 inches, this kayak should perform better than the one you can get in the market, which are usually running between 30 to 31 inches wide. I used the 6mm thick Coroplast, and this kayak may be a bit more difficult to fold and unfold. The commercial boats you can get in the market usually are at 5mm thick.最窄西就係呢下啦。嗱，你唔好幫我手啊，因為我驚你解親手，所以我戴晒手套。OK， 嗱，我整個箭嘴向呢邊屈咧比較順啲。你話係咪好難咧？整下又唔係好難。你屈順咗佢就屈順咗啦。I need shorter straps to hold the sides together. Since I have only one set of straps, I have to spend time to shorten the straps. In my next build, I will add the short straps to reduce the time to pack the boat. I will also change the width of the package from 12 inches now to 10 inches in my next design update. This is my second prototype, which I have implemented the long and short straps, and it makes the assembly or disassembly much faster. I have also checked the weight of my second prototype, and it is at 5.76 kilogram, that is around 12.7 pounds, without a seat. I'm conducting the kayak building workshop. I'm able to use the fellowship hall at a local church. I updated the kayak plan. This is the third version, and we are building 3 kayaks. I hope to finish them in the next 2-3 days, and then we can test them this coming Saturday. We'll update you on the progress. If you like my video, please give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your support. Bye bye.